You were hinting, Ravi, in talking about portfolio construction, giving the opportunity for exposure to idiosyncratic sources of risk and return, to idiosyncratic factors that may or may not mesh with the client's other assets in their overall portfolios. And that really gets to the point about designing portfolios to meet the needs of individual clients and individual asset owners. Um, I think you'd agree that that's another valuable service that active managers can deliver for clients.
You touched on something, I think another a role we play as stewards of capital and as capital allocators. For example, I think we, as a lot of active managers, are interested in sort of ESG factors in so much as it relates to the financial valuation of a company and its prospects over a long period of time. We think this really affects the sort of future, quality of the company. And that is something implicit in what we're being paid to do. And we think the way to go about that is actively engaging with companies, along with proxy voting, asking good questions, looking at and asking for disclosures, and so on. So if we can analyze those risks and opportunities well, I think we will be, better investment managers. And not only are we talking about it from a financial lens, but I think more recently, the pendulum is sort of moving and even going beyond the financial aspects of it. There are clients and other stakeholders that are actually care about things like climate risk, income inequality globally, things like that, or modern slavery, so labor relations. So these are things actually that people are increasingly care about. And there is a sort of a shifting of emphasis and a recognition that this actually could be part of the fiduciary responsibility as well. And that's something we need to pay attention to. And it's something that clients are increasingly asking us to report on. So that's definitely something that we're looking to do for clients.
I'd just point out we've published at the Active Managers Council a piece called "Sustainable Investing is an Active Process," a paper that points out that whatever your views may be about issues that fall into the ESG or sustainable investing category, it's very hard to have them reflected, to have your own views reflected in a portfolio, unless you hire a manager who does actual research into those companies and then is prepared to craft a portfolio that's tailored to your own views.